at this little oasis. I'm going to show you some beautiful algae right here. Look at that. Adding oxygen to the water. Nice healthy ecosystem. I bet there's fish and tadpoles and frogs, maybe some salamanders. Here's some, that's an invasive species right there. That's no good. That viney stuff. And here's some multifloral rose right there. Oh, that's the worst. See how prickly it is? This is really hard to get rid of. Can't remember what this is called, but anything that vines like that and smothering out the native plants. See that? Ugh, so sad. Oh no, the puppy's getting in the water. I gotta carry it. Blech. Oh. Okay, multifloral rose, don't forget that. It's gonna come up on a quiz. Aquatic ecosystem.